You feel me? Christmas
It's a
vlog.
vibe, yeah, feeling right, yeah, keep it quiet.
Welcome back to another video of Actdaverse Universe. Today is a new day. Hey, we got a what? So we got a Let's go. Alright guys, today is short and simple and sweet. What we're doing is we're doing 3 different styles for Christmas Day, man. So if you don't got no idea, if you ain't got no plans, if you ain't got nothing to do even on Christmas, if you ain't got no food to eat, but you got dreadlocks, this is a good thing to do because it will like get you in the Christmas spirit that you are ready for that day. So today we're gonna be doing one hairstyle, and tomorrow we're gonna be doing another hairstyle until Christmas. So yeah, 23rd, 24th, and the 25th will be everyday drop for y'all. So hit the like, man. I'm doing a lot of work for y'all. Not really. Alright, for the first hairstyle, we're gonna keep it very classic. This is one of the top favorite ones with everybody and their mama that had dreadlocks always brag how this is their favorite one. Even I do this. We're gonna start with 2-strand twist. The reason I picked 2-strand twist is very basic and easy, and it will actually help me for my next hairstyle. So for those of you guys that wanna do a different hairstyle, watch my next video, because when it comes out tomorrow at the same time, you'll realize that I'm gonna be utilizing a 2-strand twist to make another hairstyle. The other reason I chose a 2-strand twist is because I have Christmas vibes, man. You feel me?
Oh my God.
Christmas
It's a
vibes.
vibe, yeah, feeling right, yeah, keep it quiet.
My hair is Christmas vibes right now. What other better style to do than 2-strand twist? I thought about braids, but I was like, you know what? Let's do 2-strand twist because I want to see the red with the green, man. By the way, before I get into the video, I want to say shout out to Jay Wavy for giving me this idea. I was gonna do 10 days till Christmas hairstyles, but 3 days seemed fair to me and a little easier because 10 days, 10 hairstyles. I mean, I can make it up, but I don't know if I could. So yeah, shout out to you, Jay Wavy, for this hairstyle. And if you're in the comment, I'm gonna make sure that your comments is pinned so we can get you to 200 subscribers. Without further ado, here it intro. Of course, to start off, you gotta have your dreadlocks. Huh? You definitely gotta have dreadlocks. Okay, start spraying your hair, man. Water is like the key for this. I don't use gel or anything like that, so I use water and rose water. And you gotta have a rubber bands, of course, or a poly band. That's what it's mainly called. The one I use is like a plastic look to it, like almost like a see-through plastic. Yeah, but it does the job. I got it from Target for like $5, so if you guys want to go get that, you guys can do that also. But a lot of people have the black ones, which is not bad actually. I like the black ones because they blend in pretty well. So let me just put that on the hair tie so it don't get in my way. And then I'm gonna just work my way around. Start from the front. And this will help also kind of retwist your locks also, because you want to, twist it. And one of the things that I learned that I applied recently is that with the lock that you twist, you want to go the opposite way. So if you twist this way, if you twist your dreadlocks this way, then don't go that same direction you twist it. Go the opposite direction so that it can hold pretty well for you. And it will look good up here also. Like whenever you see the 2-strand twist up here, it will look much slicker, smoother, and much glossier in a way. It looks a little glossy when I do it like this. But if I went in the same direction, it almost blends in as in like it's a one dreadlock, and also it has a tendency to come out faster. And this is one of the recommendations made by one of you guys in the comment section that said like if you twisted the opposite direction than how your retwist goes. And I actually did apply that and it worked. So shout out to whomever commented that. I should have remembered the name, but that really helped me out, so thank you. And then whenever you tie the bottom part, you want to make sure that you stay away from the tips, because the tips is where it gets a little fuzzy. So if you're applying more pressure with the rubber band, you're going to cause more damage to it. So go a little higher, and also don't tighten it too tight. It's not going to go nowhere, you know what I mean? It's just going to stay there, so you don't need to triple it or anything like that. I think 2 is good for me, so I just did 2 and it holds. And this technique I applied really helps. These are my locks that I had put extension in, as well as the rest of them. Put extension because of the cut that I had. I don't know if you guys remember, but I had a cut dreadlocks, and so these are an extension added. So I gotta be careful right here, especially at the knots that I connected the extension to. These are the only 2 extensions I have on my locks. Don't worry guys, I don't have any other extension. Some people think my whole head is fake because I say that I have 2 extensions on my hair. Just gotta be careful right here. Probably gonna be thicker than usual because this is where I connected it, and also I added a kinky afro hair. Might not look as natural as the rest of them. As time goes, this will start to thin out a little bit. Not thin out, but get to normal thickness that I have for the rest of the locks. And I can do that even with different methods. One of them being like a palm roll method. You know, I can use scissors also to thin it out a little bit. I know a lot of people that do wigs use a lot of scissors to make their wigs look really neat and clean, and so I can use those methods, but I choose not to. I'm just gonna let it be. It is what it is.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
And it's like, it looks the most perfect right now just because the locks are not real. It's just other additional hair, so they actually look prettier than the other locks, because I don't know what this is. Sometimes when I look at it, I'm like, why doesn't this look like this? The way it formed, since it's locks, the way it forms is like, you can't tell it how to form. You know what I'm saying? It forms however it wants to. So you see other ones like that. And these was in the front. The only ones I had was red, so I just put it with the red, and then I'm trying to find a green one for this one. Back, I'm probably like, for the ones that are like not too close, I'm gonna have to reach it, make it reach, because I'm trying to get it to the nearest one, and sometimes some nearest ones are the same color, and I don't want to put the same colors together. The green back here. But it still looks nice, you know. If I had all red, that's what it would look like. For those of you guys that always ask me to dye my hair red, this one needs a friend also. Other ones that are twisted pretty well, they look amazing. They stand out. It's crispy. So what we got is good so far. Let's continue to do what I'm doing and wait till the results, because I have some tips and tricks as I go. Right here I have a Congo. So the Congo starts from, you know, used to be 2 of them back here, but now they're like all together, so they're kind of like one, and then this part right here separates. But we're gonna almost do a semi 2-strand but 3-strand twist. So let's see how this goes. As I'm going, I'm actually doing my retwist like I said earlier, and I usually do water retwist, and so that's why my hair tends to look messy on the bottom. But so for those of you guys that use gel to separate your sections and stuff like that, and also apply it to the bottom of the roots, you guys can do that also. It's just you get more buildup with that, and I don't like to do that. Alright guys, I'm done with the whole thing. It's all on my face. I'm done with the whole thing. There's some of them are standing like this because I did them really well, but they will start to drop down because once, you know, the gravity starts to pull them down, they start to lay down. As you can see, it's already happening. So if you guys enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up. For some of them, of course, they did not get a combo mix like these. The ones that did look fire as heck. The ones that didn't still look good, but it's not what I was going for. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for part 2, which is the second hairstyle happening tomorrow. And thank you guys for watching this video. Till the next time, keep acting diverse and creating your universe. I'm Actdaverse. I'm out.